Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jared at 3Cs. Pretty excited to share with you the KFI winch cable hook stopper. We sell a ton of these. We leave a whole box of them right on the counter. Pretty inexpensive, and it's a great way for you to kind of accessorize your ATV and actually serve a purpose. So there's multiple things that this stopper does for you. Is one, you can see the cable and the winch hook had kind of rubbed on this roller already. It's a brand new unit. What this is going to do, it's going to give a rubber buffer between the hook and the rollers. So it makes it so it's not rubbing on it, and it also reduces all of the winch noise. So if you're bouncing down the trail and the winch hook is kind of rubbing on there, you're gonna hear that clatter. If we were to suck this in tight and we pull this in, you're not gonna hear any more clatter. The winch hook is just gonna dangle out there in the front. And what I think is most important about this product is most of my customers that are new to the sport of ATV, or side by side, they just don't know where their winch hook is all the time. So as you're sucking in, you can really damage your rollers if this comes in too far. So my idea is with one of these, and as it's sucking in, it gives you a little bit of a dampener. Like you can kind of hear it going, "Rrr," and that lets you know that you need to stop sucking in on the winch before it damages anything. It's a very easy install. It's a 4mm hex head on the front and a 10mm socket on the back. There's 4 of them. You split it. You can see the split there in the middle. You wrap it right around the cable and install it. We do make a small commission. I'm going to put our link on our Amazon link down on the bottom here. So we do have an affiliate store. So again, we make a little bit of commission if you buy one from Amazon through our link. We would appreciate it. Enjoy the ride, and we'll see you on the trail.